Hello everyone, this is Priya and you're watching It's That Easy. Today's video is on linked list. But before starting, let me tell you that if you're new to the data structures, then you can also refer to my previous video, that is the complete guide on data structures. You can watch it out from the link here or from the description below. So now let's move forward towards linked list. You probably use this term or might have seen its examples around you, just like a train. We can imagine the coaches of a train as the nodes of our linked list. We can add as many nodes as we want. In this example, I'm taking 4 nodes. We can see that all the coaches of a train are connected to an engine. The same way, the nodes are connected to the head pointer. This head pointer points towards the first node's address, and in turn, all nodes contains the address of the next node following that, and the last node contains a null address. In computer science, we can represent the linked list in the form of nodes. Just say I'm taking 3 nodes here in the example. Node number 1, like this. Next is node number 2, like this. And node number 3, in the same way. Okay, now I divide these nodes into 2 fields. That is, field 1 and field 2. Field 1 and field 2, and the same for node 3 also. Now field 1 contains the data. So let's write it here. Node 1 field 1 data, node 2 field 1 and node 3 field 1 contains data. Okay, now next field is the pointer field that points towards the address of the next field following that. Let's take the example here. This is a pointer. It points towards the address of node number 2. The same way, node number 2 points towards the address of node number 3. But now, there is no other node next to the node number 3. So, in this case, we put a null pointer here. A null pointer is nothing but a special kind of pointer that may either be 0 or a negative number. It means it has an invalid address. Okay? And all these nodes contains a head pointer. Like this. Just like we see the engine in the previous example. This pointer is called the start pointer in data structures. Okay, now this start pointer points towards node number 1 address. Okay, now let's see if we want to traverse the linked list. First of all, we need to represent it in the form of memory. Okay, for this I'm taking 2 arrays. The first array containing data and the second array containing pointers. Okay, so we have a start pointer here. Start pointer points towards the address 1005. If we go to 1005, we see a data here. That is Jack. So let's write it here. Jack. Now Jack has a pointer that points towards the next address, that is 1017. If we go to 1017th address, we see a data, that is Kathy. Now we write Kathy here. Okay, now Kathy contains the next address, that is 1001. If we go to 1001 address, we see the Adam here. Let's write the Adam. Now, Adam contains the address towards the next node, that is 1009. If we go to 1009, we see name Carl here. So let's write Carl. The same way, if we go to Carl, it points towards 1013. If we go to 1013, we see the Kate here. So let's write it here, Kate. After reaching Kate, we see there is a null address. It means there is nothing, no node after that. So we can say that after traversing, we get this data. Stay tuned everyone. My next video is on insertion and deletion in linked list. If you haven't subscribed it yet, do press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.